How to buy PEPE token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X account and check their Telegram channel too. They include it on their X account. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. And as you can see, guys, here, this token increased by 300% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address came under the Solana network. Now open the Phantom wallet for that, and make sure you have, I click on swap, and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now after that, click here and paste the token address. After that, click on it. Now here, type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you received. Now after that, select the provider. For example, I will select the Radium CLMM via Jupiter. Now after that, make sure to read all of that information and click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redirect it to that provider page to be able to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy PEPE token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.